See this thing right there? That's a cairn. This is going to be really tricky. We are hiking to Druid Arch in the Canyonlands Needles District in the middle of winter. We're also going to take a detour along Chesler Park on the way back. Cairn. I've been having to do a lot of route finding on this trail today because it's brand new snow. And I put on my spikes because the slick rock is, well, in fact, slick. I was running down that hill back there, and then my ice axe impaled me, broke into my pants, and now I have to put some bandages on. It's all patched up, and we are ready to go. Don't think you can just run down hills. That's not how it works. I love how the sun is hitting these fog-covered needles. So this is where I'm going to do my first Polaroid. I have 10 shots for the entire trip. And we did it. We made it to the cross marks. We are heading off this way. So I'd highly recommend doing its Big Spring to Elephant Hill trail. We are on the turnoff to Druid Arch right now, so we got about 4 miles left. Hi, Merry Christmas. There's just a ton of like this river stuff like that, and a ton of ice traps like that. Like my foot just got drenched, and we still got quite a bit to go. Oh well. Oh, there's a cairn. That's nice to see. As much as I love cold water, I did not like falling into that. It's like knee deep. In all honesty, I have no clue what to do here. Okay. Oh, maybe it is a trail. I could have avoided getting my feet soaking wet. That's always a win. Holy guacamole, that's cool. We're having fun here. So much fun. What in the world? I made a wrong turn. Definitely. Absolutely. Oh, okay. I'm growing to thoroughly disliking this trail. I don't know how to get over that little ridge, and, but there's a cairn right here. There's a cairn right there. I think that's a lying cairn. I'm looking at the map, and it's definitely the route. After looking at the thing on Hiking Project, I definitely made a wrong turn. I think I'm supposed to go this way. Well, this way it is. If this leads me to the same spot, I'm turning around. I'm done. I'm done with this hike. I am... I have no idea on how to get over this little thing right here. Is there normally like a ladder right there? According to my Nat Geo graphic map, nope, it's not right there. It's a little bit further up. So I have no diddly darn clue where to go or how to get to Druid Arch. So I'm coming back in the summer where I can actually see the cairns. Despite the fact that I saw a cairn down there, but I don't know how that cairn gets over that edge. Maybe I'm not even supposed to go over that edge. I give up. We are... Our next stop is Chesler Park. There are 2 cairns. We're taking one last chance. The other cairns are deceitful. We can do this! Oh my gosh! We can actually do this. Okay, but we gotta hurry. We gotta really hurry. Okay, yes. Yes. Icy cairn. I should have given up sooner. Well, I found out how to go over it. That it? Magical ladder. Nice. Alright, so this is the train to get to seeing the arch, I think. And it seems I lost the map along the way as well. Awesome. There it is. Woo.